Alright guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex KO Tech. This is definitely going to be a quick unboxing. We got the Motion Boom by Anker Select Pro with the lights, 16 hours of playback time, IPX7 waterproof equalizer, bass boom, and Bluetooth extra, extreme outdoor sound and lights. Let's get this open, let's get it connected, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back. You guys can see the lights on the speaker. The speaker comes out as, let me see guys, I'm looking for it right now. I know it says Soundcore something. All right, here, Soundcore Set Pro. You guys know, just like the, so let's go to non-copyrighted music. There go the lights, they look cool. Non-copyrighted music. Music. All right, here we go.
There's one simple vision hack anyone can use to improve vision, so you can say goodbye to your optometrist for good. Did you?
All right, guys, so we got the buttons, the bass button for extra bass. It does make it sound louder. We got the up and down, down, up, skip, and go back, power and lights. Then we got the Soundcore on the top. We got the subwoofers on each side. Then in the back, we got the, let's see, we got back here, we got the reverse wireless charging, because you could use this as a power bank. And then we got the USB Type-C port to charge up the speaker. So, yep, there we go. That's all we got back there. So this is a pure Bluetooth speaker. Love the build quality from Anker Soundcore. Okay, then we got the different lights. See, it goes with the beat. That's low. Let's put it up to medium. This is medium. And then let's drag it all the way loud. $80 speaker on Amazon. Definitely worth it. Loud. It's little. Pack of punch. Love the lights on it. This speaker, I would say, is a major go for me. I don't regret this buy. Like I said, on Amazon for 80 bucks, not bad. It's from Soundcore. It's by Anker, the chargers that I use for my iPhones and Androids, and even cords, and even headsets. So yeah, great product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Now I gotta go. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You all ready, and thank you for watching.